Hi. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 uses of forklift trucks. Before we dive in, the entire team at Angus Lift Trucks would like to thank you for watching this video. We are a well-established forklift truck company in the Midlands, with over 30 years of experience in providing services from forklift hire, sales, maintenance, and repairs, to training on all types of forklifts. We are also accredited and provide CPC and first aid training. Our experts are always on hand for free, no obligation quotes at our shops in Hinckley, Leicestershire, and Ilkeston, Derbyshire. Of course, do share and like this video, it really motivates us to do more similar videos. Without further ado, let's dive in. 1. Warehouses. The uses of forklift trucks in warehouses range from transporting items from place to lifting them on and off high shelves. Many warehouses use pallet jacks to lift pallets and boxes off the floor to transport them, but forklifts are more versatile. Pallet jacks only lift loads barely above the floor, while forklifts can lift them onto high shelves. Forklifts can also handle more weight than pallet jacks and even tilt to ensure the stability of heavier loads. Side loaders and multi-directional forklifts maneuver in spaces where a standard counterbalance forklift won't fit. Standard forklifts work for most warehouse tasks, though heavy items like shipping containers require a much heavier 50-ton forklift that can handle the weight. The items that need to move can determine the fork to use. Carpet poles are for heavy carpet rolls, while lumber and plywood forks easily handle loads of wood. 2. Construction sites. Forklift uses at construction sites include loading and unloading materials and moving them from place to place. Rough terrain forklift trucks can move building materials over uneven ground. Common forklift truck applications at building sites include jobs unloading pallets of bricks or other heavy building materials and transporting them from the unloading site to where they're needed. Block forks let the forklifts lift bricks and blocks safely, while tile and barrel forks have cutouts to accommodate those items. Forklift trucks help remove materials after demolition, though a front loader is the better piece of equipment for most jobs like that. 3. Loading docks. Loading docks and actual ship docks are obvious places for forklift uses. The operator slides the fork into pallets to load and unload them. Forklift trucks can lift many materials without pallets, too. One of the handiest forklifts' uses for loading docks is being able to drive the forklift directly into the backs of the trucks to deposit a load or remove it. Unloading and loading pallets and other items are specialties of the forklift truck. There's no better piece of equipment to add or remove loads on shelves, ships, or trucks. Many ships have compartments where the forklift truck driver can deposit cargo in a way other equipment couldn't do. 4. Recycling centers. Forklift trucks' applications in recycling centers include moving compressed bales of materials from place to place and dumping loose materials where they need to be. Forklifts can move bales of material like paper with the forks, but a bale clamp device makes moving baled materials easier. Some people slide the forks underneath the material and push them on the floor, but this isn't one of the approved uses for forklift trucks. Aluminum, glass, or plastic recycling centers might require a hopper or other attachments to move the materials. An 8,000 to 11,000 pound forklift should be heavy-duty enough for most recycling center tasks. 5. Dumping. Operators can attach hoppers to the forks and often dump them without getting out of their seats. These hoppers let forklift drivers lift waste materials and drop the load into a dumpster. The hoppers also move dirt or outdoor refuse and make forklift trucks even more useful. Landscaping work that requires moving earth and dumping can be made easier with a forklift truck. So, to wrap up, these are only 5 of the many uses of forklift trucks. If you are looking for a more comprehensive review of how and where forklifts are used, do have a look at our detailed article Top 10 Key Uses of Forklift Trucks, which includes detailed information and many practical tips. See the link in the description. Of course, if you are looking for more videos on all things forklifts, From the funniest forklift jokes to theory test questions forklift drivers often get wrong, do subscribe to our channel and like or share our video. Do check out some of the most popular articles on our blog, see links in the description. Finally, if you consider hiring a forklift, buying a new or a used one, jumping on a new maintenance contract, or training on any type of forklift or CPC training, do give our team a call.